Hey guys, when we think about trying to be successful in something, we usually think about what we need to do. What do we need to add? What do I need to learn? What habits do I need to have to be able to make that work? And we don't always think about what we need to subtract, what we need to take out of our lives. And so that's what I'm going to talk to you about today. But before we dive in, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell icon to be notified when I release a new video. Sometimes, to make something easier for yourself, instead of looking for what you need, it might be more beneficial to actually look for what you need to, what you can get rid of. So for example, if you want to start thinking more positively, but you're surrounded by people that are just negative all the time, it might be in your best interest to actually get out of that situation and get away from those kind of people and maybe find yourself people that are more like you. If you want to lose weight but you find yourself always snacking on junk food, then get rid of the junk food. If you want to stop drinking, get rid of the drink in your home. Like, stop going to bars and pubs and clubs. If you find yourself procrastinating by watching TV all the time, then get rid of the TV. I did, and I'm telling you now, it's never distracted me since. I remember when I got rid of it, I was watching Malcolm in the Middle, and for about a week I just binge watched season after season after season. I think I watched about 7 seasons, and I just said to myself, I'm not doing anything with my life. I'm just watching TV all day and all night. And so I said to myself, I've got to get rid of this TV. It's the only way for me to actually do what I want to do and get on with some work and stop procrastinating. So I took my TV, I put it in my car, drove it to my dad's, and never seen it since. I don't have a TV, and I love the fact that I don't have a TV anymore because it can't distract me. So it's always easier to avoid something than it is to resist. If something's in front of you that's distracting you from your goals and whatever you want to do, get rid of it. It makes it so much easier. It's like I used to be a music producer, and when I would get tracks in, the people that would record it wouldn't have like $1 million studios, so the tracks wouldn't always be like perfectly clean and recorded. And they'd always have these frequencies that didn't sound good, and they'd be muddy or they'd be bassy or something like that. And usually you would have to try and cut out them frequencies to clean up a certain instrument. Rather than just boosting stuff, you'd actually have to just cut out certain frequencies to clean up that whole track. And that's the exact same thing. Ask yourself, what can I cut out to make whatever I want to do easier for myself? Because it's not always about adding. Sometimes it is actually about subtracting. And the easier you make it for yourself, the more chance you'll have of becoming successful. So ask yourself, what can I cut out to make this habit easier? Hopefully, you can find the answer and it will just make your life that little bit easier. That's it for today, guys. I'll see you in the next video.